Step number 0 in your sales funnel, and why is it so important? In this video I will tell you about step number 0 in your sales funnel, which you should pay attention to if you want your funnel to work well. That is so that people subscribe well to your funnel and buy what you sell inside this funnel, products or services. What is this step? I will tell you a little later, but first there will be a little introduction to this step. By the way, my name is Derival Dmitro, I am from Ukraine and I love internet marketing. I advise you to watch my videos because my English is not good, so I will try to explain complex things to you in simple words, and it will be easier for you to understand it. So let's start. There are 5 categories of people depending on the level of awareness who can enter your sales funnel. Category 1. People who don't know about the problem that makes their lives difficult and that your product can solve. Category 2. People who know about the problem but they don't know about its solution. Category 3. People who know about certain solutions but have not yet found the optimal one. Category 4. People who know about solution products but have not yet chosen a specific product. Category 5. The most aware people who already buy certain products but may be dissatisfied with something. If you stupidly direct all these people into your funnel at once, it may work for some, but the rest of the people will simply go away at the first steps of your funnel, because they are not yet prepared enough to respond normally to what you are offering. A simple example. A person doesn't yet know that he has a certain problem and you immediately offer him a solution inside your funnel. And what are the chances that this person will subscribe to your funnel and then buy something? Very small. Therefore, first you need to decide which of these categories of people you will send to your funnel. And before you send these people into your funnel, you need to prepare them in a certain way. For a person who is unaware of the problem, you need to help him understand that there is a problem that is making his life difficult. A person who knows about a problem but doesn't know how to solve it needs to be helped to understand that there is a solution to this problem. A person who knows about a solution to a problem but has not yet decided which solution to choose needs to be told about your solution and what its uniqueness is. A person who knows about product solutions needs to be told about your product and how it will help solve their problem. And the most knowledgeable should be told about other problems they may have and about your products that will help with solving these problems. These tasks are well handled by the special content that you create for each of these categories of people and that performs the task you need. The task of this content is to raise a person's level of awareness and prepare him in a certain way. And only then you can send it to your funnel. So the step number 0 you should take before you send people to your funnel is to direct them to specific content that will match the level of awareness of these people. So that you first prepare them, give them the information they need, and only then offer something inside your funnel. Then you will have a better chance that those people will respond well to what you are offering in your funnel. So here is your simple plan of action. Step number 1. Determine which category of people you will work with according to the level of awareness. Step number 2. Create relevant content for this category, maybe even multiple pieces of content if awareness is very low. Step number 3. Send those people to that content. And step number 4. And only then send these trained people into your sales funnel. How can it be realized in practice? For example, you are working with a cold audience, people who don't know about the problem your product solves inside your funnel. You create a content post for them on Facebook in which you talk about a problem that makes life difficult for these people. Reinforce the problem by talking about the consequences of not solving the problem. Next, you direct this cold audience to this post with the help of paid targeted advertising on Facebook. Then you create a second content post in which you talk about the solution to the problem you described in the first post. And with the help of paid advertising, you direct people who viewed your first post about the problem to this post. And from this post which talks about the solution to the problem, you redirect people to your funnel where they can get your solution. In this way, you prepare a cold audience, and only then you direct more aware people into your funnel. And these people are more likely to subscribe to this funnel and buy something. A few more important additions regarding levels of awareness. The higher the level of awareness of a person, the more he is inclined to buy. But this person already knows about various other solutions to his problems, and in order to sell him something, you must give strong arguments why it is worth buying from you. The lower the level of awareness of a person, the more difficult it is to sell him something, and the more you need to give additional information to this person in order to teach him. But if you do that, if you give enough information and raise his level of awareness, then you will have a good chance that he will want to buy a product that solves his problem from you. Therefore, if you work with a cold audience and educate these people, you will be able to create your blue ocean of people who will want to buy from you. I hope this information was useful for you. I wish you a good day and great mood. Bye bye.